Hi teacher, my name is Evelyn Romero. I am from the group 29 and I will going to read the following text. Okay, so tell a story in the past. When I think back to my high school year in Bogota, I always remember my Italian teacher. She was very strict. She was from Bucaramanga. When she entered the room, we all had to stand up and say, Buongiorno, signorina, and we could not sit down until she gave us permission, which is very typical in Colombia. First, and has a routine, we had an activity in which we practiced the vocabulary from the previous class. Then she took out some new vocabulary cards to practice pronunciation and spelling, but we were not allowed to look up the words in the dictionary. Right after that, she would always hand out a few copies of fill in the blanks activity so we could practice the new words. Okay. During this activity, we will be able to work in small groups. He used it to me to work with the same classmate. I used to think those classes were boring. I hate them. Now I hate to thank my teacher because I can speak some Italian. I work in an international hotel chain in Cartagena. That's nice. Thank you, teacher.